If there was ever leftover pasta in my house, this was getting made. This pasta frittata is a classic when you have leftover pasta laying around. My nonna used to make it all the time. It's creamy and cheesy, and it's the perfect quick dinner.
Add about 75 grams, 3 ounces of cubed pancetta to a cold pan. Turn the heat to medium and let the fat slowly start to render out. Cube up about 150 grams, around 5 ounces of cheese.
I'm using Taleggio cheese because it melts beautifully, but use your favorite Italian cheese. Something like a scamorza or mozzarella or even fontina would be beautiful.
Into a bowl, add 5 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whisk the eggs until they've come together completely. Add in your leftover pasta. This is 2 servings, about 200 grams or 7 ounces. Add in your cubed cheese and about a quarter cup, around 23 grams of grated parmigiano reggiano cheese. Then mix it all together until it's well combined.
This recipe is great for using leftover bits and bobs in your fridge. Got some sun-dried tomatoes? Pop them in there. Some leftover olives? Go ahead and add them. This recipe is just a guideline, and I love how customizable it is.
Now that the pancetta is cooked, add it to your bowl with the pasta. Try to reserve as much of the pancetta fat in the pan as you can. Give that another stir so the pancetta is dotted throughout your pasta. Put your pan back on the heat and add about a tablespoon or so of olive oil to the pancetta fat. This helps to make sure our pasta gets a nice crispy crust. Now add in your pasta mixture. Press it all the way down into the pan so that it reaches the sides. You want to let this cook slowly so that the eggs cook all the way through. We do need to flip this, but if you're nervous about it, just pop it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes until the top is completely cooked. I find the easiest way to flip this is by sliding the cooked side onto a plate and then flipping my pan over the pasta and flipping it all back over again. Now that it's back in the pan, make sure to tuck in any loose strands of pasta on the edges. You'll want to give this at least another 5 to 10 minutes in the pan until the egg is completely cooked. We also want the bottom side to be crispy, so make sure you're checking to see if there's brownness underneath. Slide your pasta frittata onto a board to cut yourself a slice, e buon appetito!
If you're looking for another quick Italian comfort meal, why not try my pasta fagioli? And if you liked this video, please hit the like button down below. Make sure to subscribe because I come out with a new video every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.